clean. Okay, this is as far as we got. We didn't get to build the table, so we're leaving that for Monday. The little lounge area is like 99% done. Have all the trinkets here. Some candles. And then this little desk area of mine is pretty much done. I'm gonna add some prints there, and I'll probably put like another shelf there. So that's that. We've moved our little library here, our kitchen, Sarah's cutting area, station, and then we gotta do Benny, gave him a much needed bath. I made a shampoo this time because, I don't know, I was using baby shampoo, but I feel like in the summer it doesn't really do the job. So I did like oatmeal with baking soda and water. And then this time I cleaned his ears with a little bit of apple cider vinegar because it's hot, he gets sweaty outside. So they're starting to be smelly too, so. Oh, here he is, all clean. Benny, what are you doing? I got a lot of stuff to do today. A lot. We need to finish the studio. I need to go return something because I bought the wrong thing. And make some food. And hopefully I'll make the stuff live for my stationery on my website today. So there's that. And pretty much planning because in the previous videos, if you haven't seen them, I've said multiple times that I suck at planning. So we're gonna plan today. I don't know if I'm gonna make it all cute like all the like stationery bullet journal people, because that itself seems like really complicated. And I don't know if I can pull that off. But we'll start with the to-do list, baby steps, and then I'll see if I can like follow through. Okay, so we built this table. It wasn't easy, it wasn't hard, it was just
painful.
And a big pain in the ass. Can I say that on YouTube? I don't know. So that's done. This is done. That's pretty much done.
Yeah.
I need to clean that up.
Still need to remove that.
And then we gotta clean this area up. But for the most part, everything is like pretty much set. Sarah's cutting station, her like office area. And then we got like our new soldering station.
Yeah.
So it's coming along, but for the most part, this is it. And our little kiln. But yeah. One of your students?
Yeah.
Yeah, gave Sarah all these stamps. And we're pretty much going through all of them to see which ones I want to keep. Here's my pile.
Well, this is not really my pile, but
All the trees and
the
stuff.
trees.
She's a fan of trees and foliage. I like cute stuff. Cute tchotchke stuff. And hearts.
Oh, what's tchotchke?
Tchotchke is like, what's that term? Like doodads and.
Oh, okay. I
yeah,
get
yeah. I couldn't
the
think
doodads.
of it. Like knickknacks.
Yeah.
There you go.
Iris. Oh, that's cute. That's.
I didn't really like this heart.
Oh, you don't?
Yeah, no, I'm not a fan. But
So you have a smaller
this
version.
one. Yeah, I like the little baby hearts.
Oh, there's a little frame. Do you like the little frame?
No, I'm not a fan of that one.
Oh, okay. I'll just put them in.
Hearts. More hearts. These are strong.
Okay, let's the ones that we don't want to keep. I put in the bag.
Okay, yeah.
Do you want? I don't want the rainbows. Do you want the rainbows?
No, I don't think I'll use them.
What about the love piece? Joy.
No. This one's a little baby cow.
Oh, let's see this.
I know. This is like the best find.
This one. Those are the.
I think these are like the
holiday
Jesus ones.
What
No
about?
offense to you, Jesus people.
What about the gift bag?
I don't know. I feel like. No, I think the tissue paper kills it.
Okay, I'll take that away from you.
But look at this under the sea set. I'm keeping all of these. These are
So cute,
cool.
yeah.
And the puffer fish.
Do you want it? It's a shower.
No, I don't think I'm having one anytime soon.
And then when we're buying it, we're gonna look at each other.
I know, I'll be like,
remember?
remember that one stamp?
That one.
And they're gonna go in this cute pink container that had a bunch of glitter in it. That
Do
I'm
you
not
want
gonna use.
this splatter thing?
No, that looks weird. Let me see.
Yeah, I know. It's like
Nah,
even it's weirder on this side.
that looks gross. It looks like those pumpkins that have like pimples.
Well, I like those, but this doesn't look good.
This is so exciting from the kitchen of, and you'll see why. Oh my god, I think I definitely am going to use this. So cute. Okay, so it's kind of set up, but we have our little belt sander and our little disc one, but we need to put the pad on. And we have our little anvil. Cute. And then we have our new drill press. Pretty good. And it has drawers with nothing in it really yet. Oh. Gotta get used to that. Yeah, there she is. Okay, so it's hot. We're like halfway done. We just have to organize the rest of the stuff. Sarah has to organize her stuff. I have to clean up. But for the most part, we're pretty much done. Just little things here and there. But we hope you enjoy it.